What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to pair a phone to a 2013 Acura RDX using the Bluetooth. And this will vary a little bit depending on your RDX's options. Your center screen and the way your buttons are set up will vary a little bit, again, depending on your RDX's options. I'm going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone. Other phones will be similar. The first thing we want to do is go into your phone's settings, open your Bluetooth, and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at our center screen, as you can see it's showing no device connected. What we're going to do is press the phone button. That's going to bring us to this screen where it's asking us, would you like to connect a phone? And we're actually going to click no because we want to set up a new one. So you'll use this dial here to scroll, and then this is the select button. So scroll up until we have no highlighted, and then we'll press select. That's going to take us to this screen. Again, we'll use this knob to scroll down. Scroll all the way down until phone setup is highlighted. Then press select. Then once connection is highlighted, we'll press select again. And then once we're on this screen, once we have add a new phone highlighted, we'll press select again. And now we need to assign it a location. So I'm going to use this to scroll down. And then once I have the first empty slot, I'll hit select. And this is just telling you to turn on your phone's Bluetooth like we did in the beginning. So we'll just hit select for OK.
The pairing process requires operation of a Bluetooth phone. For proper system function, a compatible Bluetooth phone is required. Please visit the hands-free system website listed in the owner's manual for a list of approved phones and other system information. From the displayed list, select the desired phone.
Okay, and ours pops up there, so iPhone is highlighted. We're just going to hit select.
When requested by your phone, enter the PIN 0000.
So as the voice there said, we want to grab our phone and we're going to enter the PIN, which is 4 zeros. And then we'll hit pair. And this is just asking if I want to give it.
Connection setup is complete. The phone has been added.
As you heard the voice over there say, the phone's now been added and connected. This is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. I'm not going to set any of that up right now, but we are connected.